In this video, we'll show you what to do if the Bluetooth has disappeared from the quick settings panel on your Lenovo laptop and you can't seem to find it in the settings app as well. So to fix this, what you first need to do is head to the search menu and then type in services. Now select the first result that appears. Now in this window, you will need to find the Bluetooth services. So first go ahead and select this Bluetooth support service. Now double click it. Now make sure its startup type is set to automatic and make sure the service is running. If it's not, simply click on the start button to run it manually and then hit apply followed by OK. Similarly, repeat the same steps for Bluetooth user service and Bluetooth audio gateway service as well. Once you have done this, head to the settings app. Now here you will need to go to this Windows Update tab. Now go to advanced options. Now here go to optional updates. Now check if any Bluetooth driver update is available on the list. If you see an update related to Bluetooth, simply select it and then click on download and install. Once you have done this, simply go ahead and restart your Lenovo laptop and your issue should be resolved. However, if nothing else works, your last option is to simply hard reset your Lenovo laptop. So for this, shut down your Lenovo laptop completely. After that, unplug everything including the charging cable and all the other USB devices. Once you have done that, simply press and hold the power button for 15 to 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, simply plug the charger back in and then turn on your Lenovo laptop. Once you do, the Bluetooth should come back on your Lenovo laptop and it should work as expected. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.